Hey everyone, okay, I got my Kelly Purkey in. Oh, I can't wait to see what's in this kit. I don't think I saw any sneak peeks. So this is I Am Your Monthly Project Kit. So this is their project kit, which is basically Project Life. It's just that's trademarked, so you can't use that. So, oh, that reminded me. Okay, so that is awesome. I'm telling you guys, every month I tell you, I love her stamps. Her stamps are phenomenal. They just are phenomenal. You can put a picture in each of these and go the whole strip down of a traveler's notebook. I might in fact do that because that sounds awesome. And then you always get the labels. I love the labels. And then, well, this is a different font for them. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. But this is a different one. And that's the white. And then here's the 3x4 cards. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Oh, let me pick it up. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Oh, how cute is that? Love you. So it's the same image, but it's just in a different color. So it's like a Polaroid. So click, 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 and then you have it in black. Oh, look at that. I love those colors. And then a single. Whoop. And then say cheese, please. Cute. Numbers. Foto di Mantica. I think that's how you say it. Could be falling rocks or something. Enjoying because it makes me happy. Aww. Aww. Look at the colors of these. It's just so perfect. Snapshot. Snapshot. Husband's working, so that's the pager. Okay, so that's one kit. That's the project kit. Awesome. Now for the project kits, and the traveler's notebook, because this is the tell me what's better than new supplies. Oh, this is the notebook kit. This is the traveler's notebook kit. I don't know what that one is. It's $50 a month. Okay, so this is, oh, look at, is that what they call, is it a flamenco girl? Flamenco? I don't know the proper way to say that. You get two of these stickers. It's awesome. You get the outfits, and then the traveler's notebook, which is a standard size. So you always get two, but they're not always the same on the back. So you always get two, but see, they're different. So which is awesome, because just in case you want to use that same design on somewhere else, but you like the one on the back also. So it's nice that you'll have options to get to choose what you like more of. Look at how cute that one is. Cool. That's Bussie's rainbows. Awesome. So that is that. So the Project Life kit and the Traveler's Notebook kit is $50 a month. I don't know what this is, because I know I ordered one stamp. Oh no, you know what I did? I ordered one extra stamp, and then I saw one on clearance. So this is just extras. This is just the extras. I don't know if stuff is still on sale or not, but it was for a good sale. So this was on sale for like $8, I think. So it was pretty nice. That was cool. But look at this. This is awesome. That coordinates with the let's see. It coordinates with the Project Life one. So that it's a coordinating die, or a coordinating stamp. Look at the size difference. That's crazy. That is so fun. Oh my gosh. I love everything with the film strips and the Polaroid. This is a Polaroid. That's so cool. I love this. I love this so much. All right, guys. We'll see you all next month. Take care. Bye.